Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the continuation session of our Vedic mathematics. In the previous sessions, we had discussed about addition using drop tens method, that is Dashamsha method. There I have uploaded 3 videos by name part 1, part 2, part 3. While you are watching the videos, go by part 1, part 2, part 3. Directly please don't jump to part 3 because you won't understand anything. Okay. And in the first part, I have explained very slowly, and in part 2 and part 3 little bit faster because I cannot keep up the time, right? So please go through each and every videos by its part. I have also mentioned the part number also in the videos. Okay. With this, I am going to explain the new concept in your addition. Okay. Thank you. See, today I am going to explain the new concept called as spark addition. It is also called as Vilokanam. Vilokanam is the Sanskrit word. What do you mean by Vilokanam? Vilokanam means observation. Here we are going to solve the problems of addition just by observation. Hence the name Vilokanam. And in our school days we are adding from right to left, right? Now in this method we are going to add from left to right. Very interesting, right? Yes. We'll go for the problems now. Now kindly observe few problems. I will go very slow. Okay. Once you understand, I will pick up my speed. I will add from left to right. Please observe now. What is 2 plus 0? 2. And the right digits are 7 and 4. 7 plus 4 is what? 11. These two will generate the carry, right? 7 plus 4 is 11 will generate the carry. Whenever my right side digits will just generate the carry, I have to increase this number. 2 plus 0 is what? 2. But since it is generating the carry, I will write 3 directly. And 7 plus 4 is 11. The end digit is 1. Therefore, my answer is 31. Okay. Just I am solving this problem just through observation. Correct? Now you please observe 8 plus 4 is generating carry. Therefore 5 plus 3 is 8. Since they are generating carry, 5 plus 3 is 8. I will write 9. I will increase this number. Then 8 plus 4 is 12. The end digit is what? 2. The answer for this question is 92. Kindly observe. 5 plus 3 is 8. But the right side digits will generate the carry. Right? 8 plus 4 will generate the carry for me. 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay. Therefore, if they are generating the carry, I will increase these two numbers. 5 plus 3 is 8. I will write 9. 8 plus 4 is what? 12. I will write the end digit. Now, please see, observe again. 9 plus 8 will generate the carry. Okay. 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. Since they generate the carry, I will write 16 directly. Okay. Now, 9 plus 8 is what? 17. The end digit is 7. Just write 7. How quickly I am doing. Now, you please observe here. 6 plus 2 is 8. They won't generate carry. 8 plus 6 is 14. Since they are not generating carry, 8 plus 6, I will directly write 14 without increasing a number. Correct? Then 6 plus 2 is what? 8. My answer for this question is 148. Kindly observe. 6 plus 2 won't generate carry, therefore 8 plus 6 is 14. I am not increased this number, I will write directly 14. And 6 plus 2 is what? 8. Now kindly observe here, 8 plus 6 is 14. The next numbers is not generating any carry, therefore I will write directly 14 without increasing the number. Then 4 plus 3 is what? 4 plus 3 is 7. See, I am doing the problem just through observation. Now you observe, this will generate the carry, right? Therefore, I will add 8 plus 4, 12. Since they are generating carry, I will increase this number. 12 becomes what? 13. 8 plus 4 is 12. I will increase this number by 1. Just because the next two numbers is generating carry. Then 9 plus 7 is what? 16. I will write the end digit. That's it. See how quickly we are solving the problems. Okay. Hope you have understood. Let me continue with few more problems. Now kindly observe, I am adding now 3 digits. Now you please observe now, this is 72, only 2 digit and this is a 3 digit. So what I will do, I will take these 2 digit and I will add these 2 digit now. 47, so 46 plus 7 is what? 53 and the last 2 digit will generate the carry, right? Therefore 46 plus 7 is 53, I will write 54, increase this by 1. Okay. Then 8 plus 2 is what? 10. What is the end digit? 0. The answer for this question is 540. Please observe. In this I am going to take 2 digits at a time. 46 and 7. What is 46 plus 7 is 53, and last digit is going to generate carry. Therefore, I will increase 53 by 1. It will become 54, and add last 2 digit. It is 10. Write the last digit only. Now, similarly here observe. 78 plus 2 is 80, and last digit is going to generate the carry for me. Therefore, increase 80 by 1. I will write answer 81. Okay, 9 plus 2 is 11. I will write the end digit only, that is 811. Now kindly observe the another problem. 42 and 9. 42 and 9 is answer is 51. So last 2 digit is not generating any carry. Therefore I will write 51 as it is. Answer is 51. And last 2 digit if you add, it is 6. Kindly observe. 42 and 9. If you add 42 and 9, it is 51. And last digit is not going to generate any carry. Therefore, I will write 51 as it is without increasing. And 3 plus 3 is 6. See, what I am doing is, I am observing the last numbers, right? Hence the name Vilokanam. Now, 14 plus 5 is 19, and last digits is not generating any carry. Therefore, 14 plus 5 is 19. I am writing as it is. Then 4 plus 3 is what? 7. The answer for this question is 197. Now you observe now. Now here also I have 3 digits. Here also I have 3 digits. Okay. So now we'll solve the problem one by one digit. 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay. The next digit is not generating any carry. Therefore, I will write 9 as it is. Then 4 plus 3 is what? 7. Next digit is not generating any carry. Therefore, 4 plus 3 I am writing as it is as 7. Then 3 plus 3 is what? 6. The answer for this question is 976. Now observe the one more problem. 6 plus 2. What is 6 plus 2? 8. But the next 2 digit is going to generate the carry. Therefore, I will increase 8 by 1, that is 9, right? 9. Then 4 plus 7 is what? 11. And next 2 digit is going to generate the carry. Therefore, 11 if you increase by 1, 12. Only write the end digit of 12, that is 2. Then 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. Write the end digit, that is 5. See, I am solving the problem just by observing the next digit. If it is generating carry, I will increase the sum. If it is not, I am writing as it is. Kindly observe here. 6 plus 2 is what? 8. I observe the next digit. It will generate the carry. Therefore, increase the 8 by 1, 9. Then 7 plus 4. What is 7 plus 4? It is 7 plus 4 is 11. My next 2 digit is going to generate the carry. Therefore, I will write 12. Instead of writing 12, I will write the end digit 2. 7 plus 8. What is 7 plus 8? 15. I will just write the end digit 5. See, this is how through observation you can solve the problems very quickly. Since you are observing and solving, this method is called as what? Vilokanam.